Hi subscribers, we're here today again at Challenger Auto Parts, Sydney, Australia. We're going to be showing you a container that is going to Sharjah. Shocks are ready to go in. Now I'll show you a list of parts. We got a Peugeot engine, 306. We got a Toyota Lexus engine, 1MZ. We got two Nissan Maxima engines. We have a 4E Starlet engine. We have a 2AZ or 2AZ Toyota Camry engine, 2003 4.5. We have a 5S coil. We have a 4A. We have a 1NZ. We have a couple of Halfcuts going in. Toyota Vitz or Toyota Yaris, Toyota Corolla. Got some inside. We got a Camry and a RAV4 inside. Container's pretty packed full, ready to hit the UAE Sharjah. If you need containers, you're welcome to come to Challenger Auto Parts and order them. We have a large range of auto parts, used cars, four-wheel drives. Please contact us and we can help you. Thank you.